Are you a Valentine's Day hater or do you know one? I certainly do. This time of year always brings out the V-Day haters. And today I thought it would be fun to talk about two very common anti-Valentine's Day excuses. Let's debunk those. Now, my name is Cece Cheney, and I happen to be someone who doesn't ascribe to Valentine's Day being this horrible thing. In fact, I used to be one of those V-Day haters, if I'm being super honest with you. I used to think it was kind of silly, but now I feel differently. So, what are some things that people commonly say? I would love to hear your opinions on this anyways. Drop them in the comments. Let me know what you think about these things. But what are some anti-Valentine's Day sentiments that we hear every year without fail? Right. Well, the first one that I hear all the time, oh, it's just another commercial holiday with people trying to get me to spend money. Right. So here's my opinion when it comes to this particular issue. One, we spend money every single day. Right. We make choices with our dollars every single day. So for you, that might be, going out to eat. It might be rolling through a drive-thru. It might be getting that cup of coffee you love. Whatever that thing is, you make choices with your dollars every single day. So why can't you choose to show the people that you love them, right? The other reason why I don't like this particular sentiment is because who says you have to spend money, right? What if you just reached out to the people who you loved and let them know that you love them? What if you didn't spend a cent, but you spent some time or you spent some energy actually showing people that you cared about them, right? So I don't think that one holds water at all. Let me know what you think about this whole it's too commercial thing, right? Like, we spend money every single day, right? I literally just came back from the grocery store and I made some choices with my dollars, right? Now, the second thing that I hear all the time is you should show the people you love that you love them every day. I don't need Valentine's Day to remind me. And I'm going to be honest with you. I used to hear this one and I used to think, okay, that makes sense. But be honest with yourself. Are you doing that? Are you showing the people that you care about that you actually do love them? Are you being intentional about that? Or do you have some sort of expectation that they should just know or that they should already know? Right now, if you're someone like me who's had some substantial loss in life, you know how important it is to make sure that those people, know that you love them, right? I would love to be able to tell the people that I've lost that I love them one more time, or to shower them with gifts, right? Like, all of those things that we're you hear people fighting against are things that people who've had any kind of loss know, wow, it'd be so amazing to be able to do that again, right? And so the reason that I think that this particular argument doesn't hold up to anything for me actually came out today when one of my coaches was doing a video, and she said, make sure that you have reminders in your phone to show you how you want to show up in life, right? And so this is something that I practice. I have a reminder that pops up on my phone that tells me stop this minute and express some gratitude because I want to be more grateful. I want to show up in that way, right? I have a reminder that tells me to celebrate other people's successes because they've shown what's possible. And so I have something telling me that's how I want to show up in the world, right? I have reminders for some affirmations and things that I'm working on in my life. And I think that that's really powerful and really important. And so what's wrong with having a reminder, right? Even if it's a commercial one, even if it's a holiday in your life that reminds you, hey, I could be more intentional with showing the people that I love them, right? And that's why I actually like Valentine's Day, because life goes by, right? Day in, day out, you just start to feel like, hey, this is going. Why not have that reminder? Why not have a holiday pop up and say, hey, show the people you love them. Reach out to them and let them know, right? And so that's my opinion. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this idea about it being too commercial and people just trying to get you to spend money? What do you think about this idea of you should be able to show people you love them, without having a holiday? I'd love to hear your opinions on that. And I also would love to hear how you intend to show the people that you love them tomorrow. Drop those in the comments below. If you don't feel comfortable sharing that publicly, feel free to shoot me a message. I'd love to chat with you some more. Otherwise, have a fabulous afternoon, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. Ciao.